आणि दरम्यान बातमीपत्र सविस्तर पाहूया. एनडीएची पहिली तुकडी ही आता आपल्याला दाखल होताना पाहायला मिळते. एनडीएचा ऐतिहासिक दीक्षांत समारंभ होतोय. एनडीएचा ऐतिहासिक दीक्षांत समारंभ सुरू आहे. ही लाईव्ह दृश्य आपण पाहतोय. एनडीएचा ऐतिहासिक दीक्षांत समारंभ.
Bajo! Shut! Break! Whip! Shove!
Ladies and gentlemen, we are now awaiting the arrival of Vice Admiral Gurcharan Singh, अतिविशेष सेवा मेडल, नौसेना मेडल, Gujarat National Defence Academy. An alumnus of the National Defence Academy, Admiral Gurcharan Singh was commissioned in the Indian Navy on 1st July 1990. He is a graduate of the Defence Services Staff College, Wellington, National Defence College, Delhi, National Intelligence University, Washington, and the United Nations Staff Officers School at Stockholm, Sweden. In a career spanning over 34 years, the flag officer has held various challenging command and staff appointments. The officer has commanded INS Kochi, a Kolkata-class self-guided missile destroyer, INS Kukri, a Kukri-class missile corvette, and INS Vidyu, a B-class missile corvette. The flag officer holds the distinction of being part of the commissioning crew of 3 Indian-constructed warships. INS Brahmaputra as gunnery officer, INS Shivani as executive officer, and INS Kochi as commanding officer.